roasted cabbage? What is the difference from the 10? You pay 100 something, I guess.
Don't drop it. Yeah. We're going camping? We're sleeping in a tent? Are we sleeping in a tent?
It was like a fabric cabbage.
Wow.
Sleeping out of the tent. So why did she say, she told me, get a big tent. You hear Chrysalis?
Say hi. Dad, say hi.
Daddy, say hi on the mirror. Oh, by the way, honey, take your sweet time. You don't have to sleep. We have, how many hours? Chrysalis took us there 6 hours. Yeah. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 5 hours.
Yeah. We went to Walmart, right, Tyler? And we bought everything that we needed. So we got a tent, a 10-person tent that we were going to build.
I'm dropping.
Yeah. We got a 10-person tent that we're going to attempt to build. You will see that in the rest of this video. Zoe is asleep. And we are, I think, 30 minutes away from our campsite. And then we're going to set up our campsite and empty out this super packed car. That's a 10.
You should record it.
I am. This is how we're living at the moment. So yeah, stay tuned. Guys, you're in the tent, your little mini tent? Yeah? Yeah, that's their bed. Alright guys, so we're going to try to build
Okay, we need the brown cup.
this tent. You think we could do it, Dad?
Yeah.
Say to the camera.
Yes, we're gonna do it.
Alright.
Yeah, with first camping at tent with the grands. Let's bring this out.
Tyler, how did you get out? How did you get out of the tent? Get back inside.
No.
You gonna leave Zoe in there?
Yeah.
Alright.
I could cook good girl with this hand. Okay, honey, can I have your steaks? Here, we gotta put it here.
Boss Mama. This is Boss Mama right here.
That's right.
Look at Tyler running around.
Where's Tyler?
Where you going, Tyler?
Can I have the other steak, please?
Zoe?
Yeah, honey, look. I don't have to take. Here. Oh,
This big, ooh, 10-person tent. Tyler, say hi.
Hi.
Say, I'm camping. You camping?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dad, please make the tent.
Yeah. What are you doing? You playing? You playing? You playing? You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Zoe's coming. She rolled off the bed. Tyler, get off of her. Zoe. You in the tent? Chilling out in the tent with Mama's?
Mommy, I think it's going to rain.
I don't think it's gonna rain.
You hear it on it? You hear it? The sky? You hear the sky?
You hear thunder?
Yes.
Okay.
I hear a dog. I did that. I did that.
Yeah?
Oh.
Got this cool light fan.
So.
Coming. I got it. Coca-Cola. What's Tyler doing? He's a little nature boy. What are you doing? This is your outfit from Walmart. Each piece $2.88. Go to Walmart, get your clothes. That. It's 4th of July weekend. We got stars and stripes. Veggie chips. Right, mamas? Camping time.
Give me the water gun.
Take the
water
spray
gun.
bottle. That's so cold.
Hey, give me the spray bottle.
There's too many things to carry. Though.
Let me get the water gun.
Oh.
Let me get the water gun.
Chrysalis should have.
No.
Get the water gun.
Where you going? Tyler,
So you're
you cleaning the car? He's
He's
cleaning the car.
No, he's not. No, that's dangerous. Stay out here. It's hot. It's nice and comfortable out here.
Dad, get him.
You open the door?
No. Tyler.
Tyler, Grandpa's putting water in the gun. Come on, puppy. Sally, look. Sally, look. So we go. Y después me da la servilleta.
Yeah, she knows how to clean herself.
Oh my God. Look, watch. I love wipes. With wipes, you could solve so many problems. Look at that. Mommy, this is the last one. Oh my God, we're gonna have a problem. There's nothing else in the pot.
Look, they're fighting now.
Oh, this is bad. You gotta record Ricky. You gotta record Ricky. I brought two, Ricky. I brought two. Oh, you gotta send this to Kwa. Gachi. Cobarde.
Okay, I won't spray.
Take Ricky.
But don't spray me.
He's such a... Please, Grandpa.
Okay, go.
Please, Grandpa, don't spray me. Ricky's spraying. Chrysalis, get daddy. Sally, get daddy. Go ahead, Ricky.
He's like, Grandpa, please don't spray me. And he goes spray him.
Get travies. Es que that one is very strong.
Yeah. So.
This is what happened when I eat. This is what happened when I'm full. So.
No, don't go around.
This is what happened when I'm. She's lifting her. This is what happened when I'm. She's lifting her.
Don't go around.
So. This is what happened when I'm full. This is what happened. Yeah. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Go ahead, clap your hands. I'm holding you. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
I didn't record any of that. Oh no. Tyler, what did you say today was?
A Korean, my winter store.
Yeah, but you said today was the best day ever? Oh, I missed it. I forgot to I thought I was pressing record. Can you say it again?
It's okay. You'll find it where, Mommy.
Alright, you can't say today's the best day ever again? Say it again.
It's the best day ever, Mommy.
Yeah, why?
Like, I think it went so much fast.
Yeah, and we're in the tent.
Yeah.
And soon the sun's going to get dark and we're going to see the stars.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, say goodnight, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Say goodnight, Zoe. Say goodnight, Tyler.
Good night.
And goodnight. Morning. It's morning time. We survived one night in the tent. Oh, my hair looks crazy. It's a good night. They didn't go to bed till late and then woke up super early, I think like 6:30. We're excited. Right, Mom? Was you excited? Excited, Papa? Yeah. So today we're going to have a fun day. We're going to go to the pool, sprinklers, playground, all the fun stuff. Maybe go on a little nature hike. You never know. We're by the woods, so yeah. Yeah? What? I am
Tyler,
walking.
hold your sister's hands. Come.
No.
So your mommy could take a picture of you too.
No.
You're being rude.
We're supposed to go through the thing and around. Okay, go, honey. Do that. And then see your guys.
We are walking back to our tent. Then we're gonna get ready and go swimming in the pool. There goes Grumpy Grandpa. Kick your leg. She was better before.
Kick it, Zoe. Go. That she likes. And try not to take the kicks. You believe I have it in the square? Just Zoe. Look, she's kicking. She's kicking. I got him. I got him. I got you guys. I'm friendly.
Like, see how you give up?
Chicken little. You tough boy.
I'm just sitting there with her. It's not hot. Hey guys, telling Zoe.
No, and oh yeah.
Ew, Zoe, say excuse me.
What happened? Drink your milk. Drink your milk.
Grandma, what? It's morning time.
Yeah.
It's nap time.
Hey,
What did he say?
go to sleep.
It's morning time.
Saying it's morning time. It's nap time.
No, it's morning time.
Okay, Papa.
Honestly, best ever. Kids are sleeping. I'm just sitting here in the chair, chilling with some Pepsi. It's really quiet. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Everyone's like, well, majority of everyone's either napping or doing an activity. There's a bunch of kids at the pool. Also, if you have kids between like 2 to even 18, it's a very fun place. These kids are really friendly. My kids made a lot of friends in the 20 half an hour minutes and the hour that we were at the pool. It's really nice, very family oriented. I really like this place. It's called Ocean Shore. I'll get the name. I'll put it in the video and I'll put the description about it in the. I'll put more info about it in the description. But yeah, so far so good. Just fully relaxing. My hair is a little crazy because it's a little bit humid. I just woke up from a nap. My mom just woke up. Kids are still sleeping, so I'm just here chilling.
Ay, qué bueno. Y la familia de Cuá también, ¿verdad?
Guys, we have an upgrade. We have now a queen bed for Tyler, Zoe, and I. And my parents have their queen bed. This is it. And we have space. Look at my little mess over here. But literally this fits 2 queen beds. And we have a huge space over here and a huge space over here to put stuff and walk around and sit. We have our chairs. The kids got these cute little chairs from Walmart. There's a green one and the pink one's over there. And I got a little chair over there. It was only $5. Tyler got a tractor. Yeah. And we have a little fan that is keeping the kids cool. And a nice breeze. All the windows are open. Everyone here is nice. Our neighbors are super nice on both sides. So, yep. So, win-win situation. No. Look, caterpillar. Wow. No, Tyler, don't eat it. We're just showing it to you. What does a caterpillar turn into? It turns into a butterfly. You're in the tent with the light?
Ellos hay más platos para botar esto.
No.
My blanket, Grandpa, my blanket.
I don't know where your blanket is.
Mom, put it over there in the corner.
Ricky, right here.
In the corner over there. Zoe, what are you doing, mamas?
Where's the blanket?
Zoe, what are you doing? Yeah, I'm coming inside the tent now. Zoe.
Please, Mom.
Yes, I'm coming in.
Please.